In today's fast-paced digital world, finding opportunities to earn a lucrative income can be challenging. Many individuals are seeking alternative ways to supplement their income or even replace their traditional jobs. This is where affiliate marketing comes into play, an innovative and highly profitable avenue that allows individuals to harness the power of online sales and partnerships. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity for anyone with determination and drive to create a sustainable source of income. Whether you're looking to launch your own business or simply earn some extra cash on the side, this article will explore how affiliate marketing can help you achieve your financial goals. The problem: a lack of financial freedom. Before diving into the potential benefits of affiliate marketing, it's important to understand the problem many people face: a lack of financial freedom. The traditional 9-to-5 job often leaves little room for personal growth, creativity, or flexibility. Moreover, rising living costs make it increasingly difficult for individuals to save money or pursue their dreams. The solution: embracing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents an exciting solution that allows individuals from all walks of life to take control of their finances and create opportunities for themselves. By partnering with established brands and promoting their products or services through various online channels, affiliates can earn commissions on every sale they generate. Financial independence. Imagine being able to work from anywhere in the world while earning passive income. With affiliate marketing, this dream becomes a reality. You have the freedom to choose your working hours and scale your efforts as much as you desire. Low startup costs. Unlike starting a traditional business which requires significant capital investment, getting started with affiliate marketing is relatively inexpensive. All you need is an internet connection, basic computer skills, and dedication towards building relationships with reputable brands. Diverse income streams. One major advantage of affiliate marketing is the ability to diversify your income streams. By partnering with multiple brands across different industries, you can create a robust portfolio of revenue sources, reducing the risk associated with relying on a single income stream. Passive income potential. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its potential for passive income generation. Once you have established your online presence and built a loyal audience, your efforts can continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively promoting products or services. How to get started. Now that we've explored the benefits of affiliate marketing, let's dive into how you can get started on this exciting journey. Identify your niche. Start by identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will make it easier for you to connect with your target audience and establish yourself as an authority in that particular field. Research affiliate programs. Conduct thorough research to find reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, high-quality products or services, and reliable tracking systems. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Create a website or blog where you can share valuable content related to your niche and promote affiliated products or services through well-crafted reviews or recommendations. Drive traffic. To maximize your earning potential as an affiliate marketer, focus on driving targeted traffic to your website or blog using various digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing presents an incredible opportunity for individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility in their lives. By embracing this innovative approach to online sales partnerships, anyone can harness the potential of passive income generation while working from anywhere at any time. Remember, financial freedom is within reach if you're willing to put in the effort required by affiliate marketers today. So why wait? Take charge of your future and start your affiliate marketing journey now. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are waiting for those who seize the opportunity when it knocks.